counted. Time remaining 8 minutes left.
Apat na tao nyo.
Oh, break. Driving. Nice drive. What a drive by Tulur. Whoop. One. Nice crossover. Rebound. Labas. Tumira ng. Wala. Labas.
Kaya mo lang, ulo yan. Ayaw, rebound.
KB Warriors ball.
Nice one, yeah.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 20
Dribble
seconds.
muna tayo, dribble lang muna.
Relax.
Isa lang, bahala ka. Bahala ka. Wala.
Turnover by Jago Lakers. Time remaining
Tol, kunin mo muna, tol. Bahala.
7 minutes
Dribble
left.
muna, tol, dribble. Dribble kayo para ang oras.
Tumira ng
Nice
dos.
one, tol.
Wala. Kapos. Bola ng Jago Lakers. Time remaining 6 minutes and 55 seconds.
Basta walang dos, tol, basta walang dos lang. Wala lang dos, tol, wala lang dos. Hoy!
Foul.
Kaya pa, sir? Kaya pa? Kaya pa pa?
Warning for penalty. Keeper Warriors.
Kunin mo, tol. Lima.
Yes, sir. Tumira ng
Oh,
dos.
wala.
Wala. Foul. Penalty by Keeper Warriors. Substitution. Sinit. Pasok. Free throw by Captain. Oh, tumira ng dos. Wala. Pula ng Jago Lakers. Time remaining 6 minutes left. Nice pass. Oras. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Wala. Keep it Warriors ball. Oras. Time remaining 5 minutes and 35 seconds left. Jago Lakers ball. Out. Turnover by DB Warriors. Time remaining 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Time remaining 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Hosting. Hook shot. Nice. 1 point by Jago Lakers. 7-9 in favor of KB Warriors.
Bigay mo na, tol. Bigay mo muna.
Walang shot clock. Wala mang nagano shot clock.
Dapat may shot clock.
Dati wala mang shot clock dati. Wala. Tinanggal.
Ako mag-shot clock.
Isa sa scorer lang.
Yung oras, tulad yan, pagkat nilaban, tiktikan. Patayin ng oras eh. Timer sir, 24 seconds. Patay yung oras eh. I-reset mo sa 14. 14, i-reset mo sa 14. Oras ba, 4?
4 minutes and 18 seconds.
Sino mula? Wala kang ano. Okay.
May shot clock na ulit. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Rebound by Dolores again. Tumira ng dos again. Wala pa rin. Up. Last touch by Jacko Lakers. Reset. Up. Dribbling. Up. Jump ball.
Bulan namin, kay bulan yung una. Bulan lang una eh.
So bulan na ng Jacko Lakers ulit.
Shoot lang.
Hook shot. Nice. Oh, wala pala. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Tumira ng dos. Pasok. Tie score. Time remaining 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Dribbling to learn. Hindi nakita. Up. Wala. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Pasok. Lamang ng Jacko Lakers. 11-9. Time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Nice! What a crossover. Wala.
Sintas mo.
Sayang. Last touch by Peter. Time remaining. Time remaining 2 minutes and 52 seconds. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. In favor of Jacko Lakers, 11-9 score. 11-9 score in favor of Jacko Lakers. Play ball. Up. 1 point by KB Warriors. Time remaining 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Wala. Nice move. Highlights. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Tapos, wala. Bola ng KB Warriors. Penalty by KB Warriors. 7 foul by KB Warriors. Free throw line. Wala. Labas. Wala. Time remaining 1 minute and time remaining 1 minute and 55 seconds. Turnover. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Dribbling. Drive. Wala. Foul. 4 fouls by Jacko Lakers. Score 11-11 in favor of tie score. Dribbling. Tumira. Wala. Bola pa rin nila. Tumira ulit. Wala. Last touch by Jacko Lakers. Last time out by KB Warriors. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 35 seconds. Game ball. Tumira. Last 1 minute. Wala. 50 seconds. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. Nice one. 30 seconds. Last 29 seconds.
29 seconds.
Last 25 seconds. Wala. Rebound. 19 seconds. 15 seconds. Foul. Wala. 5 fouls. Warning for penalty. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Good. 13 seconds. 13 seconds. Game ball.
Pizza.
13. Last 13 seconds. Game ball. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 seconds left. Last 6 seconds. Video. May video.
Live man to.
Ay, live pala. Live pala.
Walang replay.
Decision. Referee. 2 points. Decision by referee.
Qualis na. Labaw.
13-12.